Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Thinkific account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Facebook pixel to your Thinkific account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Meta pixel or Facebook pixel to your Thinkific account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to feed your conversions into your Facebook pixel so they can look for similar users with a high conversion rate. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Thinkific account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Thinkific account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your Facebook pixel, what you're going to do is click on integrations here to the left. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see a few integrations, but you want to click on this blue button here called View All. All right, once you click there, you want to click into the search bar here and type in pixel. Okay, once you do that, you should see the Facebook logo. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, next, Thinkific is going to give you a little bit of information about connecting your Facebook pixel to Thinkific, but you want to click here, Install. Okay, here they're going to give you more information on the permissions for this particular app. If you're okay with that, click on Accept and Install. All right, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you're going to see this box right here where you can go ahead and grab your Facebook pixel and paste the base code here. If you need help getting your Facebook pixel or finding it, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my pixel and paste it in here. Okay, guys, I went ahead and grabbed my Facebook pixel from my events manager. So I'm going to go ahead and paste it in here. All right, once you've pasted the code in, you want to click on Save, this blue button. Okay, next, successfully saved your settings. So let me go ahead and click here, back to apps. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes, and up here towards the top, you should see installed Facebook pixel, and you can see that it's now connected to my Facebook pixel. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Facebook pixel or Meta pixel to your Thinkific account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.